Imagine waking up to find half your to-do list already taken care of. No stress, no frantic mornings, just time to plan out your day and focus on what really matters. Sounds too good to be true? Just think about things like automated bill payments and email autoresponders. Tasks are already getting done without you lifting a finger. What if you could apply that to most areas in your life? How much more time and energy could you free up? Hi, I'm Angela. In this video, we'll learn how to work smarter using the right tools and resources to systemize your personal and work tasks, so you no longer have to juggle a million things yourself. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use two practical, powerful strategies, automation and delegation, to regain control of your time and energy with minimal cost or effort. But wait, you may be wondering, why should I offload my tasks if I can do them myself? Can I do this if I'm not tech savvy or if I don't have the budget? Or isn't it dishonest to let other people do my work? Well, these are all valid concerns, so let's address each one. First, it's not about whether you can do the work yourself. The goal is to systemize your workflow so things don't fall through the cracks. And at the same time, free up the time and mental energy for higher value tasks. Because if you're constantly bogged down by low-level tasks, then you cannot be performing at your full potential. And here's the good news, you don't even need a lot of resources to start. Many of these tools are so accessible that you're probably already using them, even if you don't consider yourself tech-savvy or if you have a tight budget. Just think about it. When was the last time you visited a bank yourself, instead of just using your phone to track and manage your money? Or when did you last search for songs on your playlist instead of choosing it from curated suggestions from your app? Such tools are so accessible now that anyone can use them. And many of them offer options for free or minimal cost. We will share some examples later in this video. Finally, you might wonder, what if people think I'm dishonest? The truth is, this is not about trying to avoid work or to trick other people. It's about delivering results consistently. When you use automation and delegation responsibly, you ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, allowing you to meet the deadlines and commitments more reliably. Just think about it. Almost everyone today uses tools like Google search or spelling and grammar checks. No one really cares whether you use these tools. What matters is that the work gets done well and on time. Your bosses and colleagues are more likely to notice if you miss a deadline or drop the ball on a task than to worry about what tools you're using. When done right, automating and delegating helps you to stay organized, reduce errors, and deliver better outcomes. Now that we have seen why simplifying our work is essential, let's dive into specific strategies for deciding what to do with specific tasks and how to make your daily work more effortless. To get things done without doing them yourself, there are two main pathways. Create systems to automate your work, or let other people do the work for you. But how do you know which tasks to automate, which ones to delegate, and which ones to keep for yourself? Let's take a closer look at each option, where to focus, and what to do. Automation is perfect for any task that is repetitive and doesn't require human judgment, like scheduling meetings or paying bills. Once you set it up, it runs on autopilot, saving you time every single day. Let's say you take 2 hours to set up your automated processes. That's absolutely worth it because you'll easily earn that time back within the first week, and by the end of the year, you could save more than 100 hours. Here are a few examples of the tasks that you can start automating. If you're still scheduling appointments manually, try using tools like Calendly and let it handle your workflow. Once you've set it up, people can book the time slots based on your calendar, and automatic reminders are sent out to all parties. No back and forth emails required. If you're still paying your bills manually, set up automatic payments through your bank or online service. And if you need to track your spending, you can create notifications when your spending exceeds a certain amount. Or set an auto reminder to review your expenses at the end of the month. If you're still spending too much time sorting through your email, you can also use built-in email filters like those in Gmail or Outlook. Use them to sort your incoming messages so that urgent emails can rise to the top and the less important ones get filed into certain folders for later review. There are many other ways to automate, such as scheduling your social media posts, managing your passwords, or tracking your fitness goals. Nowadays, most apps are designed with built-in automation features, and new specialized tools are becoming available every day to help you automate every aspect of your work and life. But what if you can take it even further? Once you're comfortable with basic automation, you can streamline entire workflows by connecting apps with tools like Zapier. They allow apps to talk to each other, which makes it possible to automate even complex processes. For example, when you automate a task in your project management tool, it can automatically update your calendar, notify your team, and store the data in a spreadsheet or without any manual effort. You can even use this at home, like sharing a shared grocery list with your partner at 6 p.m. so that they can pick up the items on the way home. In short, you can automate anything that is repetitive, predictable, and doesn't require human input. These tasks can run in the background, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. But what about tasks that require a human touch? That's where delegation comes in. Delegation is ideal for tasks that require a human touch but don't require your direct involvement or expertise. By delegating, you free up valuable time and energy for the truly vital tasks that only you can do. Here are some examples of tasks that you can start delegating. First, we have administrative work like managing your inbox, booking travel, or organizing your schedule. These are all tasks that are great for a virtual assistant. And it's really easy to hire people on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can hire on an hourly or a project basis, so there's really no need for a full-time staff. If you run a business, then customer support can really eat up your time. This was one of the first roles that I delegated at Reading Graphics. The key is to find people who are aligned with your brand values, give them access to the tools that they need, and train them on the most common inquiries. When it comes to specialized tasks like accounting, design, or video editing, it's usually far more efficient to outsource them to a professional instead of trying to learn and do everything yourself. Delegating these tasks saves you time, mental energy, and ensures that the work is done at a higher level of quality without all the extra frustration. There is one golden rule when it comes to delegation though. You must be clear on the task and the outcomes that you want. Because if you cannot explain the results that you're after, then you cannot expect someone else to deliver it. So for the tasks that you're already doing, just record or document yourself doing the work so you can easily communicate the required skills and expertise in your job posting. This also saves you a lot of time on training because you already have everything documented. And if you're engaging professional help, share some of the specific examples or samples of the results that you're aiming for. Say, maybe it's the website that you love or a style of a video that you're hoping to create. Because these examples will help the person who's doing the work to align with your vision. Now, automation and delegation are really powerful tools to simplify your life. There are still certain tasks that should remain on your plate. These are the things that require your unique strengths, expertise, decision-making, or your personal touch. Often, these are also the areas where your time has the highest payoff in terms of tangible results or fulfillment in life. For example, defining your career goals or business strategy. Only you can make the key decisions about your future, whether it's your career path or business strategy. No one else can or should make the decisions for you. Let's talk about creative or visionary work. You are also the driving force for your business or personal brand. So you must be the one to conceptualize the next big innovation or shaping the vision for your company. The same goes for important relationships. You can get an assistant to help you plan out a family holiday or to manage your LinkedIn outreach. But ultimately, only you can maintain those important connections, spend quality time with your loved ones, and nurture important personal or professional relationships. Can you see how, by automating and delegating, you can focus on the higher value areas that deliver the biggest positive impact on your life? It might take a bit of effort upfront to set up your systems or to hire and train someone to help you. But once it's done, you save time and effort on an ongoing basis. You effectively expand your capacity to increase both your quality and quantity of output without the corresponding overwhelm. I've included useful video and book summary links in the description below to help you learn more about streamlining your work and life. And if you're an entrepreneur or a business leader, don't forget to check out our other video where we deep dive into how you can systemize your business. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on how to achieve more with less.